Hi, and welcome to the Code Maven YouTube channel. My name is Gabor Sabu. I'm the creator of most of the content in this channel and on the website called Code Maven. I like learning about technology, about programming, about technology related to DevOps, and I love explaining things that I already know. And I really hope that the videos you'll find here will help you also to learn new things and improve your capabilities in the world of programming, in the world of DevOps, in general, in the world of high tech. In this channel, you will find all kind of content about programming in languages such as Python and Go and JavaScript and also Perl. You will find about videos about continuous integration, both cloud-based like Travis CI and Circle CI, and more technologies, on-site technologies like Jenkins. You will find information about operating systems such as Windows and how to use it, because I encountered while teaching, I encounter people and I notice that they are not really know how to use Windows as a programmer. I will also show lots of things about Linux because I use usually Linux. I love open source, so I'm talking quite a lot about open source in these videos. And in the end, I just hope that some of these videos will help you improve your knowledge and help you find a better job in the job market. So please look around, and if you like what you see around here, then please subscribe to the channel, follow the channel, so you get notified when a new video comes out. And I get the feeling that more people are interested in my content, which will just help me create more and more content. So see you around, and I really hope and wish you to enjoy the learning process. So see you around.